In this video, we are going to talk about the best way to make money using affiliate marketing and how I use it to make 6 figures per year on autopilot. Now, for those who are just now joining, I've been doing a video every single day in my 14-day launch campaign so you can learn some of the steps in my 6-figure blog blueprint framework that I use every day in my own business. And I'm hosting a launch event for my 6-figure blog blueprint course on Thursday, September 9th to help you guys just fill in the blanks on some of this stuff. Now, if you'd like to join that, I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can register. But check out the page first, make sure that this is gonna be the right event for you because I don't wanna waste your time. Okay, so there are a number of ways that people use affiliate marketing, and many people, they use it on social media and they do very well. But the only thing about that is that they have to be present to make money. But the way I do it is that I don't have to be present. I don't have to show my face. I just can have this thing running on autopilot. And I've been doing this for every single year for the last 4 years. And that's all by using search. Now, for those of you who don't even know what affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or a service using a unique referral link. And if someone clicks on your referral link and makes a purchase from whatever you're recommending, then you will earn a commission. Let me show you guys an example of how I do it in my blog articles. The behind the scenes on an article I did on the 30 best gifts for entrepreneurs. So this is what it looks like in the back end of my WordPress website on this specific article. Now I'm just gonna show you a quick example of what I'm doing. So what I'm doing is I have a list of different things that I'm recommending that are good gift ideas for entrepreneurs. So I'm also promoting these products with my referral link. So if anyone actually clicks on one of these products and makes a purchase based off of my recommendation, I'm going to earn a referral link. Now for this specific one, I use Amazon and I did a whole entire video on how you can become an Amazon affiliate. Anyone can join, but there's some stipulations to it. So you definitely want to watch that video just to have a better understanding of how it works. But let me show you a quick example. So this is a desk calendar that I'm recommending that people actually give as a gift for entrepreneurs. It's really cool. So anyway, I want to show you how I did this. So if I just click on this and go to Amazon, there is this thing called Site Stripe. Once you join the Amazon affiliate program, you can have this. And basically any product in the Amazon that Amazon sells, you can get your own unique referral link. So anytime that you recommend it, someone makes a purchase, then you get to earn a commission. But you have to know it. They know who your friends and family are. I have no idea how they know that, but they know. So it doesn't really work if it's just for people you know. This only works for strangers, basically. But anyway, enough about Amazon. This is what I would do. So if I go to this Site Stripe, I go to text, and then I copy my unique referral link, and then I go back to my blog article. And every time that I'm going to mention this calendar, like right here, I'm going to hyperlink it. So if someone clicks on it, goes to Amazon, makes a purchase, I'm gonna earn a commission. And this is my unique referral link right here. And then I'm gonna open a new tab, and then I'm gonna make sure I put search engine should ignore this link, and I'm also going to do this as well. And then this is just an example of how affiliate marketing works and how I use it. So people come to my blog articles, if they like what I'm recommending, they'll click on it, hopefully make a purchase, and then I earn a commission. Now the way that I use it and have it on autopilot is by finding out what common questions people are searching for on Google, and then I answer their questions through my blog articles. And then I make money through affiliate marketing just by promoting different products and services that will help that user out. Now, for those of you who are new to this series, why I'm using Google is because where do you go if you have a question? It's Google. And what shows up in the search results? It's blog articles. So I find out what questions people are searching for in the search results, and then I write my articles in a certain way so I'll show up in the search results, and then they'll find my article, click on it, and look at what I have to say. So I'm gonna show you an example how I have this on autopilot. So I showed this example in an earlier video, but I'll go a little bit more in detail now. Now, when I was doing my the first thing I ever do when I'm trying to figure out what should I write about, I do my keyword research. And I use this tool called KW Finder to help me identify how often people are searching for the same question every single month, how many people, and then it also gives me a score. Like it lets me know if this specific question, will this be easy or hard to rank for on the first page of Google or not? It tells me all of that, and I love it, so I recommend it all the time. Now, I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So when I was doing my keyword research, this was a while ago, but for this specific article, I found that people were looking up money earning apps. And I don't even talk like that, like money earning apps, but other people do. And that's why keyword research is so vital, because it's not just about how I talk. You have to figure out how are other people talking. What language are they using? So after doing my keyword research, I found that people were looking up money earning apps. So then I did my research. I found the top 10 money earning apps. And I also, when I was doing my research, I found that a lot of people are also searching for top 10 money earning apps. So let me show you how this looks on the computer. So if I Google top 10 money earning apps, my article is showing up on the first page of Google. So anyone searching for top 10 money earning apps, what article do you think they're going to click on? It's going to be mine. So this is one example of how I use affiliate marketing, is by writing my articles in a certain way that I know will rank on Google for the questions that I know people are searching for on Google. And for example, so this is how it works. And then I have ads on this article. I don't know why they're not showing up, because I'm actually on my own article. But this is how it works. And so I'm making money through ads. So I have ads on this article, and I also have making money through affiliate sales. So anytime that someone signs up for one of the money earning apps that I'm recommending, I'm gonna earn a commission. And I also did my research. So when I was doing my research trying to find the most popular or the highest paying money earning apps, I don't even know how that even sounds. Anyway, when I was doing my research, I found out also if those companies that I was going to put in my blog article, I tried to see if they had an affiliate program or a referral program. And if they did, I signed up for it, so I could just enter my unique referral link in this article. So every time someone actually signs up, I make money. That's how this works. And that's why this is the best way to make money from affiliate marketing online. I don't know anything better. And the best part is I wrote this article 4 years ago, and it's still making me money every single day. That's why this is the best way to make money through affiliate marketing. Show me something else that's better, please. All right. So this is one of the things that I want to be talking about at my in my course. So I want to make sure that you guys do join me for my live launch event. It's going to be Thursday, September 8th at 6 p.m. Central Time, and I'm going to have some specials along with that. So you guys want to make sure that you're there live. And also check out the workshop page too for the live event. I want to make sure that I'm not wasting your time and that you should actually be there. So check it out. If it's for you, go ahead and register. And if not, just continue to follow me through this series. I do love helping people with their blogs. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And I'm going to let you guys actually have some rest during this holiday week. So this is going to be my last video until next week. When I do it, I'll come back, I think, Tuesday. And then we'll finish the series and then get ready for my launch event. All right? Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you are not missing out on this series. All right. Have a good one.